It's been almost 20 years back when I started with Fox Pro, and then migrated to C Sharp, and so it's right now pretty much Microsoft .NET technologies, which is C Sharp. So that's and the emerging, the REST web services or REST API services. So those are the ones that we really work on. Well, again, I used to work for Everest, so we had hands-on in developing the ERP product itself. So I was the product manager for e-commerce, so we kind of had the shopping cart integrated with the ERP system. So that kind of gave us, or at least me, an exposure of how the ERP really functions and how to program and how to do things. That was a very challenging one. And of lately, of course, we are serving our clients, so we tend to get customizations that we had to do. That's where we really come in, being able to use those development and the experience of developing code that lets us leverage Acumatica's platform to be able to customize any industry-specific niche solutions. The understanding the platform is very important, right? So Acumatica is a great platform, and one of the challenges that we do see is being able to understand what the platform has to offer, and then testing it out and trying, and then you get to see that, oh, this is how it works. Sometimes you may have issues, and we work with those issues with the development team. So far, the developer support has been, tremendously helped us resolve some of the bottlenecks we have. Worked with pretty much everybody from a developer all the way to CTO. So that means it's accessible. They're willing to listen and hear our feedback and be able to interact with the whole team. And that's a really good thing about the development network that Acumatica has. Yeah, so obviously we come with ideas and trying to solve business problems out there. So when there is a problem out there, that's what I like about. So I can now go and solve that, and you could solve it in many ways. So at that point, we take it and say, okay, so what's the best way to do that within Acumatica? And that's where we turn towards Acumatica and say, hey, is there a better way to do this? Can I do it, with DB table versus name value pair? What's the best way to go for? And you can leverage their input in terms of, I think this is the best way to do it. You could do it through processes, or you could do it through workflows, or you could do it through certain ways of doing things in Acumatica. So that gives us the leverage, saying, okay, that's an awesome idea of how to do it. And then we get the idea from the customer, like what they really want, and we kind of marry them with the platform. So that's it's a symbiotic process. Yeah. Of course, we are a custom house, so most of the stuff, 80% of the stuff is out of the box. So there's always this 20% that people want it customized. So that's where we say the value that yes, it's out of the box, but still you can enhance and customize to your specific business. For instance, we had a customer who's using Acumatica, but they're in promotional products. So being able to customize and use certain data, like being able to do an embroidery or screen print, and want to collect more information on that, and kind of have that whole production workflow set up, is possible through Acumatica because of its platform. So that's where we really come in and pick a particular solution and be able to adapt that to their business process. So that's what I like about, yeah. As I mentioned, it's a platform that is really what would sustain going forward. Whether it's on cloud today and 10 years down the road, it could be totally different. So having a great platform and being able to change based on the needs is what Acumatica is all about. So we look forward to that, yeah.